Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is Monday, the 28th day of April 2014. Now I'm going to go over a couple of days here. I'm going to go over Friday the 25th as well as today. Now on Friday, we only had an hour in the morning on Friday, but we made 5 ticks on soybeans, 2 ticks on the Russell, 5 ticks on natural gas, 5 ticks on crude oil, and 5 ticks on gold. It took us 12 minutes and 2 trades to get to our goal for the day on Friday, which was $110. Well, we were at $110 a contract when we closed that trade. We took a total of 9 trades in the morning on Friday in that 1 hour. Today was a lot more work for us. Our first 3 trades today were losing trades. Today in soybeans we were minus 3 ticks. In the Russell we were plus 26 ticks. In crude oil we were minus 8 ticks. And in gold we were plus 2 ticks. It took us 110 minutes today. Uh-oh. Something just happened. Crap. Hang on a second. All right.
Michael, are you back?
I'm back, I think. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back again. Sorry.
Did you get booted out altogether?
No. No, just.
Oh, because I couldn't see you. I couldn't see you in the organizer list, and now all of a sudden you pop back up. Okay.
Yeah, my internet connection disconnected for a second there, like it did this morning for that one minute.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so I'm back. Anyway, so this morning I was saying it was a lot more work this morning. It took us 110 minutes and 21 trades to get to our goal for the day, which, $100 a contract is our goal, but when we closed that final 21st trade, we were up $162.50 a contract. We took 21 trades total today. All right, so on the month of April, the gross profit for the month of April is $7,047.50. That's our gross profit for the month of April. It took. I just want to make sure I don't disconnect again. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken, you would have a net profit of $5,063.50 per contract. If you applied a $5 commission to every trade we've taken, you would have a net profit of $5,807.50 a contract. Okay, that's where it stands. Now, let's see. We have. Well, let's just go through the trades. All right, I'm going to start out. I'll do Fridays too, I think, if I can find Fridays. Here's Fridays. Okay. I'm going to start out with the crude oil, and I'll go through, if I can go through Fridays, I will. All right, this is the 28th, and we want to go back to the 25th. Okay, so here's the 25th. And we only traded the first hour on the 25th, so I'll just go through that. Okay. On crude oil on the 25th, we only had 2 trades. Sorry. We had 2 trades on crude. Our first trade was right here. It was a bounce off the BBC, but the cycle had turned red, so we needed to close above the trend line. We got in right there, and we took 5 ticks profit. Okay. The next trade was right here. It was a break-even trade, and that was all we had in the first hour on crude oil on Friday. Now, if we go back to today, here's today. Our first trade on crude today was a losing trade. We were minus 8 ticks on crude, and that's where we ended on crude actually today. We took our first trade was a bounce off the BBC right here. It only went a couple of ticks in our favor, and then it turned around and stopped us out. All right, we traded a couple more times on crude during the day. We missed this trade and this trade. We took this one, break even. We missed this nice trade right here, and we took this one to break even. I believe that's where we ended our trading on crude. Yeah, it is. Since then, there has been not much at all. If you weren't looking left, you could have taken a long trade right here. Now, if you considered this your swing high right here to get up above, you could have taken a long trade right there for that move up. This right here has not produced a trade yet. So that was it on crude, and that was for Friday and today. Now we'll do the Russell. We'll do the same thing on the Russell. Okay, we'll go back to Friday on the Russell. And a sec. There we go. We should be able to scroll over to Friday now. Oh, that's too far. All right, this was Friday morning on the Russell for us. All right, let's see, on the Russell, we took a few trades on the Russell Friday morning. So let's scroll back to the beginning here. All right, the start of the day, this up close right here was a long trade. We missed that one. Okay, it didn't put in a higher swing over here, but we could have probably taken a long trade right here, which would have been break even. Then it just tanked, and we missed all that. And there was a shorting opportunity right in here. We missed that. Okay, there was another shorting opportunity here that we missed. We missed a lot on the Russell on Friday. A long opportunity here that we missed, and we finally had a shorting opportunity here that we took a break even on, and a long trade in here that we took 2 ticks profit on. And I think that's all we did on the Russell on Friday. It is all we did on the Russell. There was another long trade in here, another long trade in here. Nope, I'm sorry, that's not all we did. There was a break-even trade right here. And we should have actually gotten that lower than we did. We should have gotten it down here. But we ended up with plus 5 ticks on the Russell on Friday. And we left at 10:30 right in here. Okay, so that was the end of our day on Friday. Oops, wait, I got to do today. Sorry about that. Now today on the Russell, we had a whole bunch of trades on the Russell today. All right. It started out right in here. We missed this long trade, this short trade right in here, and then while the Russell was slowly working its way down here, the ES was in a weekly trading zone. Okay. The next trade that we took here on the Russell was a losing trade, so we were minus 8 ticks there on the Russell. We missed this long trade here and this long trade here. I don't know where I was when those were happening, or the ES was probably in a zone, so we couldn't do anything with it. There were more opportunities right in here, a little bit of an opportunity, but it was going into the zone, so we wouldn't do that. We took a short trade in here. I believe we took 8 ticks profit on that one, got us back to break even. Missed a short trade there. We got a break even trade here. Missed 4 trades in a row right here. 3 would have won, 1 would have lost. We took this follow-up trade here. That was a losing trade. That put us back to minus 8 ticks on the Russell. Short trade in here that we missed, short trade in there that we missed, and then it got into the zone. We took a trade right here, short trade. We took 10 ticks profit on that. I believe that put us at plus 2. Took 1 tick profit on this. It put us at plus 3. Took 10 ticks profit on this at plus 13. 2 ticks profit on this to plus 15. And 11 ticks profit on this at plus 26. I had thought right here that we had gotten our goal for the day. Those of you guys that were in the live trading room, well, you know that we didn't. I was mistaken, and I had to take another trade. Let's see. This is during the break, so we didn't trade anything in there during the break, but look at all the movement that we had here on the Russell. Great movement on the Russell. You're going to love that. Down close right in here, down close right in here, the up close right here, the up close right there, the up close right there. All of those possible trade opportunities. Okay. We ended the day with plus 26 ticks on the Russell, plus 26. Okay, and the next one would be gold. We'll go back to Friday again. Okay, got to let the data populate, and here. That's too far. Let's see, right in here we had, this was on Friday, on gold we had 5 ticks profit on this one trade right here. It's a long trade on a close up above the trend line. Took 5 ticks profit on that, break even on that trade, and I believe that's all we did on gold. That is all we did on gold on Friday. Okay, so now let's get back to today, where we only have a couple of trades today too. Alright, we had a break even trade right here. Actually, was that a break-even? Yeah, I think that was a break-even trade right there. And just scroll back. Break-even trade right there, and we took 10 ticks profit on this trade, put us at plus 10 ticks. And then we took another, we missed this over here. We took this one right here, which was minus 8 ticks. That put us at plus 2 ticks on gold for the day. And that was all we did on gold. Sadly, that was all we did on gold. Alright, so that was Friday and today on gold. Now let's do soybeans. Soybeans on Friday. Let's start with that. Okay. Let's see how far back that is. Not far enough. Alright, soybeans on Friday. Our very first trade of the day on soybeans was right here. We took a break even on that. We missed this one, and this one, all on Friday. Alright, that one, and that one. The next trade that we took was over here. It was a bounce off the BBC with bearish divergence and red on the cycle. Okay, the down close right there was the entry. We took 5 ticks profit on that. And let's see. That was it. That was all we did on Friday. So now we'll get to today. Okay, today on soybeans, we took quite a few trades on soybeans. Our first trade on soy, we missed this one, and then we took this one. This was a losing trade, minus 8 ticks. Then we jumped in right here. I believe we took 5 ticks profit on this. Then on this one, that put us at minus 3 ticks. On this one, we took 10 ticks profit. That put us at plus 7. Then here, we lost that one. That put us at minus 1. Then we lost this one, put us at minus 9. We missed this trade here and this trade here, okay, and this trade. Well, there was no divergence on that one. We took this one right at the end of the live trading room. We jumped in this one, and that put us at minus 3. So we took 6 ticks profit on this to get us to minus 3 ticks on the soybeans for the day. We did say to watch it get up to 15 here, and it got right up to 15, and it's now started to pull back, but it's been going back and forth quite a bit between 15 and the next significant level down that we had pointed out. It did it twice today. All right, so there was some good opportunity there in the soybeans for everyone. The natural gas, we didn't trade natural gas at all today, and on Friday we only had 1 trade on natural gas. Okay, so I'll show you Fridays. Look at the pre-market. Natural gas in the pre-market. And then since the pre-market is such junk. So what do you get out of that? Trade natural gas in the pre-market. Now this was Thursday because this was from the partners meeting on Thursday. And Friday morning, here we go, right in here, Friday morning. We had the down close right here. We took 5 ticks profit on that, I believe. That was it. 5 ticks profit on that trade right there. And we missed the follow-up trade, and that was it. That was all we did with natural gas on Friday morning. Okay, today we didn't trade natural gas at all. No natural gas trades at all today. Look at this mess. Ugh. Alright, now let me show you the ES a little bit. Okay, we didn't trade the ES on either one of the days, but today there were some, I believe we pointed out some opportunities on the ES. Not all of them winning, but we pointed them out nonetheless. Alright, there was a short trade right in here when we started out the day on the ES, a short trade right in there. That worked out okay. A long trade right here that pulled back to the weekly trading zone. If you got in at 64.75, it pulled all the way back to 63, so you still would have been in this trade for the move up. A long trade right in here that moved up a little bit. So all these trades, they were all winning trades, but they just didn't go directly. This one right here would have been a losing trade. It would have just stopped you out before it moved down. That was all we had on the ES today. Now, I'll go back and look at Friday. You know, I don't trade the ES myself, but I'll see if I pointed anything out on Friday. It looks like I did point something out. All right, on Friday, there was a short trade right here that didn't work out, a long trade here that did, and another long trade here that didn't. That was the ES on Friday. All right, so to summarize, we'll come back here on Friday. On Friday, we made 5 ticks on soybeans, 2 ticks on the Russell, 5 ticks on natural gas, 5 ticks on crude oil, and 5 ticks on gold. It took 12 minutes and 2 trades to get to $110 a contract. We took a total of 9 trades on Friday. Today, we lost 3 ticks on soybeans, made 26 ticks on the Russell, lost 8 ticks on crude oil, made 2 ticks on gold, and today it took 110 minutes and 21 trades to get to $162.50 a contract. Okay. The gross total profit for the month per contract in the live trading room, in the 2 hours per day for the month of April, is $7,047.50 a contract. All right. We need about $200 over the next 2 days. We need to make $200 a contract gross to exceed our highest gross month of last year. I think 72.10 was our highest gross month last year. I think it was July. Yeah, right there. It was August last year. We made $7,210 per contract in the live trading room. Pretty close to it right now. We have some good stuff coming out over the next couple of days, so we should be able to get that without any problems. All right. Now that is that. I forgot to tell you guys, if you have not taken a free trial with us, well, what is wrong with you? Hang on a second. I'm going to the free trial page for you. If you have not taken a free trial with us, well then you should just go to CFRN.net. CFRN.net. And over here in the right-hand column, where it says name and email, put in your name, put in the email address, click register for a free trial. All right. Once you've done that, then you'll be sent a link in your email, whatever email address you put in here. You'll be sent a link. You need to click on that link. Once you click on that link, then we know you signed up for the free trial. Then we'll send you all the information you need to take the free trial. That is to get into the live trading room, the password and the ID to get into the live trading room, the links and all that stuff. We'll also send you links to download the charting platform and everything else you need to do. All right. You'll be sent a follow-up email with information on the trade setups and how to set up your workspace, for DT Pro, or set up your workspace for Ninja. Okay. So look for that email. It says, please read this and please watch this video. All right. Watch that video. All right. And that's it, guys. That's all we got. So now we can head out to, looks like we can head out to Indiana right now.
Hey.